Good afternoon, everybody, and greetings from what soon will not be the workshop. Just a quick update. I know I've been a little bit remiss on posting videos over the last couple of weeks, but I've been hard at it, and this is the finishing weekend, the long Easter weekend here in Australia. As you can see, quite a bit has changed from the humble beginnings. Actually, bare floor, dirty bare floor, but bare floor nonetheless. That's all appearing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bikes to go. Actually, tell a lie. 7. There's one down there which you haven't seen yet. And things like the BMW panniers underneath the back deck there. But essentially, we're on the home stretch. So I have my assistant, able-bodied assistant coming tomorrow. Angus, you absolute bloody legend. I'm attempting to pack up all the loose stuff. So obviously everything that's going to stay here will be things like surfboards and gardening equipment, stuff like that makes sense. We'll be redoing this workshop to become much more friendly, because at the moment it's bare steel, no insulation, etc, etc, etc. That'll be a project for another video or another series of videos. But in the meantime, we're going to move this big boy, the 78 Z1000A2. We're going to be moving that one, which is the 79 Z1000 Mark II. Going to be moving that one, which is the 76 Z900A4. We'll be moving this, the 2000 Honda ST1100PY. That's a VIP bike, as you know. We'll also be moving this one, which is the BMW K1200 GT, another VIP bike. And then finally, the Grand Dame of the BMW fleet, the K100, BMW K100, the 87, this one. All of this paint, as I mentioned in previous videos, has already been redone, as has the chrome. What hasn't been done is the water pump. So this bike will be getting a full work over as well. But essentially, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's one special project as well that has to be moved. And that's this guy under here. Now, I haven't talked anything about this, but slowly been collecting parts over the last couple of years. This is a 1972 Honda CB750 K2. So matching engine and frame bike. All of these parts have been fully restored. We've got a double disc kit over there, original wheels, all of that stuff needs to be refurbished, but essentially it's a complete bike, reproduction exhaust over there as well, so all that sort of thing. So that's another project, but what you'll see essentially is all the tools, stuff like this big toolbox right here. The orange one will stay, but will get moved up the front. All of these tools will be relocated to the new workshop, just because we got the space and it's the proper environment for all of these bikes. Bit of humidity control, stuff like that. So final loose pieces are all these wiring harnesses, which are all handlebar controls. They'll all get bagged and tagged and put away. Loose odds and ends like this will all get bagged and boxed. But really there's not a lot left to do. Just loose boxes on the floor, tools, so on and so forth, this sort of thing. So yeah, it's exciting. We're looking forward to, that's the Royal, we're looking forward to actually having a workshop that's dedicated, fit for purpose, all the other good things, where we can finally hang up our professional spurs and make it our own. So keep watching over the next couple of days. We should be finished tomorrow, I think, moving all this. It seems like a lot, but actually with 2 people it's pretty manageable. But just stay tuned for that. There'll be a few more updates on this, and then we'll give you the empty shot of this workshop, completely devoid of any bikes, and just residential stuff, and then the new workshop absolutely chockers. So until that video, I will see you then, and wishing everybody a very happy Easter, or whatever reason you're celebrating. In my case, I'm celebrating the long weekend, which is Friday and Monday off. So hooray! Happy Easter, everybody. Catch you in the next video.